Hey, what up guys, how's it going? My Tesla Model 3 trunk and frunk mats are here. So yeah, the boxes are downstairs in the garage. Let's go ahead and unbox those, open them up. I'll show you what they look like, tell you how much they cost. You can buy them directly on Tesla's website. And yeah, let's go ahead and put them in the trunk and the frunk. More frunk in the trunk, trunk in the front, frunk in the trunk. Anyways, all right guys. Okay, so here's the frunk and the trunk mat. The frunk is $70 and the trunk is $130. So yeah, not that bad. So yeah, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh. Now these are in the box, so you'll have to lay them out for a little bit so they'll flatten out. But yeah. Here's what that looks like. Pretty cool. This almost feels like WeatherTech, another manufacturer that makes mats. Very sturdy. I like it. Easy to clean. So if anyone from Tesla is watching, please, please, I'm begging you, make the all-weather mats for the Model 3. We need those, like, in a hurry. Okay, let's open up the other one. Quick, simple video, guys. Here. And here is the trunk mat. So yeah, pretty nice. It says Model 3 on the lower right hand corner right there. So yeah, I would imagine these will just kind of flatten out a little bit over time. So I'm gonna put this in the frunk and the trunk. The trunk and the frunk and the frunk and the trunk. Anyways, yeah. So let's go pop these in the car. All right, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this in here. Ooh, that's a nice fit. Very snug, very form-fitting. Okay, so here it is. Very nice, and it is pretty good, not too bad. Now any crumbs or mess or anything, dirt, something, you just wipe it up or grab your vacuum shop vac and go ahead and just, you know, suck it on out of there. All right, let's go to the frunk now. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go ahead and put in the frunk. And that will lay in there and kind of hug the curves in over time. And yeah, it's good to go. So that's good. Like I said, any spills, crumbs, anything, you don't have to worry about it getting on the actual carpet or anything like that. You could just pull this up, shake it out, wash it off, rinse it off with the hose, shop vac, you know, you'll have absolutely no issues. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show you the trunk and the frunk mats from Tesla, and you're good to go. There's a little bit of a better look. And yeah, that's it. So this one is $70. The one for the trunk is $130. You can get it on Tesla.com. And yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show those. All right, guys. Like and subscribe. Laters.